Guys, today you join me in Doubles motorcycle, Honda, the best motorcycle dealer in UK, awarded 3 times MC and Dealer of the Year. Really special place, and today I got something special as well to taste. Honda CBR Fireblade.
You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and I giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and I giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up. Ooh, I've been on the flex since flex zone. Neighborhood all in your eardrums. I ain't never scared like Bone Crush. Boy, I got God, don't fear none. My line busy, take no calls. Feels like I don't have no flaws.
Here we are. Let's see what the baby can do. It sounds good, man. Really tall, a lot taller than the BMW. Basically this is a track bike for a road. Already people stopping me. Cheers.
Gas pedal.
Test riding, just there's 1000, that's the latest Fireblade, man.
I think it's the RS.
RS before?
Yeah.
Nice, man.
Nice bike.
A few moments later.
Yeah, you really need to work your power. It's like a bloody 600. She sounds so good. You know, sounds so good. Very nimble, my god. Those specs are so high. Come on, Volvo. Man, she sounds sweet. The sound, I think, is the best sounding bike at the moment as it comes.
Damn!
From stock, because the SP version you got the Akrapovic exhaust on. Man, it sounds so good once you open it up. Listen to this. This proper hooligan bike. Got 24 miles on the clock. Come on, it's okay. This is a weapon. An absolute weapon.
Lay down your weapons! Come and get them!
It feels like a 600 on the lower rev. You really have to work this bike out. But hey ho, this is a truck machine.
How dare you!
So there's no ignition key. You have to use this thing. And you have to have the key with you, so it's keyless. And the only reason for that is because Honda wants to make the bar, the suspension and the handlebar looks more sporty. Let's see, let's give it some beans.
A few moments later.
So this is how you switch on the bike. Press it here. Everything comes live. Then here you can go different modes and mode 3, mode 1. Set up your trips. Set up your traction. Yeah, it has it all. Let's put it in mode 2. And you just press it here. Hi guys, just finished test ride of the SP1000RRR. How many R's is that? Big shout out to Ian from DOHC Motorcycles for looking after me. And would I recommend the bike? Absolutely. If you track proper rider, you should go and check it out. Have a look on the website, they got amazing stock, they got lots of new gold wings if you're more type of tourer rider. And stay tuned for the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.